Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to Dinah. I know it's been a while but I'm so happy to be here filming this video today. I will be trying out some new cosmetic products that I bought. You would have seen a few of them in the previous clip. I am going to be using the Avour Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, which is what I have on my eye, their color vision palette. I applied the Adventure Cosmetics matte liquid lipsticks on my lip. And what else did I use again? The Nyx Jumbo pencil. I know it has been there for ages, but this is like I'm just using it now for like, I wouldn't say the first time, because the day I bought it I tried it out, but yeah, I'm just using it for the for the first time on this channel. And then what else did I buy again that I'm trying out today? Yeah, V Beauty mascara. I also got this pencil liner, this pen liner. I think it makes life easier in case drawing your liquid liner has been so difficult for you. Like, buy a pen liner. It will make your lines straight and it will help you for those people who are still struggling to do that. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe and share it to someone who you feel would need to see this video. And also follow me on Instagram at Dinah, and I'm going to leave it down in the description bar. And my business page, I just started a business. I now sell hair, so you can also follow me there and check out the hair I have in case you want to patronize me. See ya. So guys, I'm done with the eyes. I do not like these lashes on my eyes because I feel like it kind of like just swallowed the whole eyeshadow stuff, and I didn't want to pull it out of my eyes. So I also got some new lipsticks, some matte liquid lipsticks that I will be trying out. They are from Adventure Cosmetics. So this is how they look like. So I think I would be doing a matte liquid, I'll be doing a nude lip. The shades I will be using is chocolate and nude. Then I'm gonna go in with chocolate. So guys, this is the finished look, and so far I love everything that I tried out today. For the eyeshadow, the Avour Cosmetics eyeshadow, so I really love these eyeshadows. They are very pigmented, very soft. I wanted to buy the P. Louise base, but man, the P. Louise base is so expensive, and I was looking for a cheaper alternative, and I found out about the Nyx Jumbo pencil, and so I decided to go for it, and I do not regret it. If you want a cheaper alternative to the P. Louise base, you can try out the Nyx Jumbo pencil, and it will show up. I got it for 3,500 naira from an Instagram store, and I'm going to leave her name down here because she's a very nice person. I don't know her, but the transaction and everything I did with her was so smooth and so easy, and so I'm going to put her name down here. If you're in Abuja or wherever you are and you want to buy makeup, like everything I used, my lipstick, the eye pens, every new thing I'm using here, I got from her. So this eyeshadow palette is super pigmented, and you get neutral colors and colorful colors, like, but and the thing is, everything here is matte. There's no shimmer, there's no glitter, nothing. Is totally matte. By the way, if you like my hair, this is from my hair business. I just started a hair business, and I would leave the link to my Instagram store. From now, I'm just selling on Instagram and on Facebook. I will leave a link to my business Instagram page down in the comment section, down in the description bar, if you would like to purchase this hair. And I do revamping, I do, you know, I can customize your wigs for you, anything at all concerning hair. I make braided wigs and all of that, so please do check it out. And I'm also going to leave my Instagram handle here on the screen, my personal and my business Instagram handle, so please patronize me. And yeah, back to what I was saying. The last thing I tried out were these Adventure Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. I love them, like, and it stays on the lip all day. My lips don't feel dry, it's not drying, like, and I can easily move my lips, and it doesn't crack. It layers well. I kept on layering and layering, as you guys see when I was applying it, and I really do love the colors, I love the shade, I love the lipsticks. They do not have any smell to them at all. It just smells like normal liquid lipsticks. So yeah, if you're a makeup artist and you're looking for matte shadows that are pigmented and you can use to create any kind of look, actually you just need to get this palette, and it's economical. I think it retailed for 4,500 naira, and it is so economical. It has both neutral and colorful colors, and they are all matte shades. So you might just need this and a palette that has shimmers that you can play with, and that's all. Like, you don't need to break the bank to look good. I hope you guys love the look, and so till I come, please like my video, leave a comment down in the comment section, and feel free to ask me any questions at all, and any suggestions that you guys have concerning any videos that I should make. Like, I'm open to anything. Please leave a comment down in the comment section. Do subscribe, help me grow this channel till I come your way again next time. Bye.